In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in Monday.com. Customizing fields in your workspace can help you tailor the platform to meet your team's unique needs and ensure that the right information is visible. Let's get started by navigating to your Monday.com workspace. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is open the specific board you'd like to customize. Verify that you're in the main table view, as this will give you a comprehensive look at all the current columns on your board. Remember, each column on your board is essentially a custom field. This means you can create columns that are specifically designed to store the data that matters most to you. To add a new custom field, look towards the far right side of your boards and click on the plus add column button. This will pull up a menu displaying a variety of different column types you can choose from. Whether you're looking to add a simple text field, number column, a date field, or something more visual like a status or dropdown, the choice depends on the type of data you need to organize. Once your new column is added, you should hover over its header and click on the three-dot menu, commonly known as the ellipsis. From here, choose Rename and give your new column a meaningful and descriptive title. Think along the lines of client name, project budget, or invoice number. By renaming your columns, you'll ensure that everyone in your workspace understands the purpose of each field at a glance. In many cases, you might find it beneficial to explore further customization through the Column Settings option. This is where you can adjust details such as drop-down or status labels, set specific number formatting like currency or percentage, and establish default values or date formats. For those custom fields that utilize status labels or drop-down lists, you can enhance the visual clarity by assigning custom colors. Simply click inside the column to Editing mode, select Edit Labels, and go ahead and rename, add, or remove labels as needed. You can then assign colors to each option. For example, making green signify complete and red denote urgent. Once your columns are set up, you may wish to reorganize them. You can simply click and drag the column headers to reorder your fields. This ensures that the most important data stays up front and center. Additionally, protect sensitive information by clicking the three-dot menu on a column to hide, pin, or lock it. Features especially useful for confidential data like salary or budget figures. Finally, custom fields can be integrated into forms, dashboards, and automation workflows. With forms, you allow people to input data directly into your board. Dashboards can visualize this data through charts or summary views, while automations can trigger specific workflows. For instance, when a status changes to done, you can set an automation to notify someone. These steps and tips will help you harness the full power of custom fields in Monday.com, making your workflow more efficient and tailored to your team's needs.